Stretches of Taft Avenue in Manila and Pasay are notorious flooding hotspots, no thanks to the severely clogged drainage systems along the route. So bad is the situation in certain areas during the monsoon season, floodwaters reach even inside classrooms. Thus, the laydown of new drainage pipes is in full stride, which DPWH Chief Vince Dizon personally oversaw earlier today, as our Bernard Ferrer reports.
Flooding along Taft Avenue in Manila becomes a challenge for Cristel. The area is known to be flood-prone zone for several decades already. Because of this, floodwaters from the streets sometimes reach the classrooms of the university where Cristel studies.
Sa loob ng school namin, for example po may mga room po doon na ginagamit po namin, pinaglalagyan po namin ng mga materials for our school projects. Tapos pagbalik po namin, we need to clean up.
Other schools along Taft Avenue also feel the effects of flooding when a southwest monsoon or a typhoon hits Metro Manila.
Basta yung, meron po kaming badminton court dyan sa loob, para po siyang swimming pool. Parang within the day na nawawala. Basta tumigil na yung ulan. Kasi yung, pag dire-diretso yung ulan, yun talaga yung grabe yung baha.
The DPWH is continuing the intensive rehabilitation of the drainage system, particularly along Taft Avenue near Santa Isabel College, Manila. The project is expected to be completed by April or May.
Ang advantage ng bago, mas madaling ikabit, hindi tayo makaka-istorbo masyado sa traffic. Tapos, mas mabilis ang daloy ng tubig. At mas madami yung tubig na pwede niyang dalhin.
New drainage pipes, which are larger and more modern, are also being connected to Estero de Belete, while the water will flow towards Estero de Profesor and eventually into the Pasig River. The project is part of a 4-kilometer flood mitigation program covering Taft Avenue from the area near Santa Isabel College to Pio Campos Street near De La Salle University. The project cost 1.2 billion pesos and is expected to be fully funded by 2027. The DPWH is looking for other ways to secure the necessary funding for the project. DPWH Secretary Vince Dizon also assured the public that there will be no more piecemeal funding for the department's projects.
I-assure ko na walang cut ito sa central office. And talagang magmamakaawa ako sa DBM, gano'n sa mga priority na hindi na ikakat doon. And ipaglalaban din natin na hindi din makat sa Kongreso. So yun ang problema. So hopefully, hindi na maulit yung mga nangyari ng mga nakaraang taon.
Meanwhile, the DPWH continues to work diligently to complete necessary projects to help reduce the impact of flooding on Filipinos. Bernard Ferrer from the National TV Network for New and Better Philippines.